Your child's literacy skills start developing long before their first day of school. These skills are very important to your child's learning and well-being. To help develop these skills, we provide free literacy workshops for families with children ranging in age from birth to 6 years old. At the workshops, you and your child will participate in stories, rhymes, and activities that explore ways to add reading and math into your everyday life. Our workshops are led by trained volunteers and run for 9 weeks. For example, during our Math Fun workshop, trained volunteers gather with caregivers to share ways of using math in activities at home, such as cooking, baking, and sorting laundry. While caregivers share ideas, volunteers engage the children in play activities that emphasize numbers and colors.
I really enjoyed this program because it gave me an opportunity to spend some more time with my daughter and a chance to spend some time with the younger kids. It's a great opportunity to meet other people. I've met up with other parents, got to know them, got to know a bit more about what's happening around in the community by talking with them.
It's a really great opportunity to volunteer with different families, and you learn responsibility, you learn how to be inclusive, you learn different leadership skills that you can then apply into future paths.
I wanted to volunteer with this family literacy group because I used to take my son to the early years center when he was young, and I saw the development, numeracy and language literacy development in him, and it really amazed me.
I would highly recommend this program. It's increased my son's confidence, socialization skills, and just learning different activities and different ways of interacting with new teachers, new children.
Family literacy workshops usually take place in the evening, with a few daytime and weekend workshops available seasonally. Workshops are offered in English and other languages. Workshops take place across Mississauga, Brampton, and Caledon. Visit peelregion.ca to find a time and location in your area, or to learn how to become a volunteer. And stay informed with the region by joining our e-newsletter, Connect to Peel.